Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq, with daily insight on the Nasdaq-100 index, or the NDX, which is made up of 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial innovative companies listed on Nasdaq. The NDX has been the barometer for U.S. large cap growth and also one of the best performing indexes over the last decade and a half, not to mention one of the most liquid index ecosystems in the world. Joining me this Wednesday afternoon, we have Chris Dearborn, Managing Director on Nasdaq's Market Intelligence Desk, for an update on technical levels to watch in the Nasdaq-100. Chris, it's great to see you as always, and we finally got those 5 minutes, which is that.
So very interesting that the market sold off so much so yesterday. We talked about it Monday a little bit, but a pullback was really kind of where we've been bouncing up against the all-time highs, and we really haven't had that big of a pullback. Today, we're kind of trading down a little bit, but we're trading right where we opened at 14,975. Now, if you take a look at the first chart and you look at the price points of what we're looking at here, we're really we're not pulling back to major support yet. It means that there's still some bullish run in here. And the Fed minutes being revealed today are just indicating that we're looking at like a December timeframe for tapering. They're worried about the Delta variant. Inflation's running kind of where they want it to be. So nothing really jarring, nothing unexpected there, which is what we're looking for, which can give the market a little bit more legs here. So if you look at the chart, there's a couple of items I want to point out. Very close support, 14,940, 14,880, and 14,785. Those are all 1 month levels where the index has pulled back and bounced off of the last 3 pullbacks this month after making the all-time highs in the first week of August. And of course, major support at the 50-day simple moving average, which is the purple line on the chart, at 14,699.
And Chris, if we take a look at the following chart here, we can see the top constituents that are adding performance to the Nasdaq-100 this afternoon.
Right. Even though Apple made a new all-time high yesterday, split adjusted, of course, it's pulled back a little bit, taking a little bit of a rest. The index as a whole has kind of been struggling lately between who is performing well and who isn't. So that's why you're having that flat movement. Tesla's finally rebounding here a little bit. Netflix, obviously, Alphabet. Ross Stores is giving the index a couple of extra points as well as they come into earnings tomorrow night. So you're looking at some great names there. And on the flip side, we mentioned Apple. So Apple is detracting by about 25 points. Tesla's adding about 25 points, washing it. Amazon's down a little bit, and AMD. So essentially, you've got about a 50-50 split of those being positive and those being negative, very similar to what we had on Monday.
All right, Chris, we appreciate the insight as always. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.